How to set smart alerts with FXCM 1. Why use smart alerts? In trading, timing is everything. You can't watch charts 24/7, but with FXCM's smart alerts, you can stay informed about market moves without constantly staring at your screen. Smart alerts automatically notify you when price levels, indicator conditions, or market events occur, helping you act quickly and trade more confidently. Second, setting smart alerts in FXCM Trading Station. On FXCM Trading Station, it's simple. Go to the Alerts and Automation tab. Click New Strategy or Alert. A Setup tab will open with 9 built-in strategies to choose from. In this example, let's select Breakeven. Give your alert a name, set your parameters, and click OK. If you plan to reuse it, you can also save the template. Once saved, your alert will automatically monitor the market for your chosen conditions. Pro tip: this exact process can also be done on FXCM's mobile app and Web Station 1, giving you flexibility to manage alerts wherever you are. 3. Types of alerts. You can use price level alerts. Notify you when an instrument reaches a specific price. Percentage change alerts. Trigger if price moves by a set percentage in your chosen time frame. Indicator-based alerts. Works with tools like RSI, MACD, or moving averages. News event alerts, based on key economic calendar events. 4. Tips for effective alerts: avoid overloading. Too many alerts can be distracting. Integrate with risk management. Use alerts to adjust stops or take profits. Sync across devices. Enable push notifications for real-time updates on mobile. Final thoughts. With FXCM Smart Alerts, you're not tied to the screen. You're empowered to react quickly to market opportunities. Whether on desktop, mobile, or web, setting alerts takes just minutes and can help you stay ahead. Subscribe to FXCM's YouTube channel for more tools, tips, and strategies to level up your trading.